Hello, I'm Dale D. Darlene of Dale D. Darlene PC LLO in Lincoln, Nebraska. I'm an attorney and have practiced personal injury law for over 35 years. I have a tip in regard to insurance coverage that I've found to be often overlooked and a very valuable coverage. It's underinsured motorist coverage. Many people have heard of liability coverage, which is the coverage we're often required to carry that protects the other people in case we're at fault. Underinsured coverage is a coverage that protects you. When it comes into play is if you're in an accident that's the other driver's fault and they don't have enough coverage. If they don't have any coverage, that's an uninsured motorist coverage that comes into play. But what's often underlooked is the underinsured coverage. An example of this is, say you're in an accident and you're rear-ended by somebody that's at fault, but they only have $25,000 worth of coverage. Say you have over $25,000 in medical bills, you've been injured, you have lost wages, their coverage clearly is not enough. In that case, your underinsured coverage will apply and be on top of their coverage. So say you have $25,000 of underinsured, it would be on top of their 25. If you have $100,000, which is better, of underinsured, it would be on top of their 25. That would give you $125 of coverage if you have that much in damage. It's often not very expensive to increase your coverage for underinsured coverage or uninsured coverage. You can take uninsured or underinsured coverage up to the amount of your liability. I've seen a lot of times where people have $100,000 of liability but only $25,000 of underinsured, and this is the coverage that will protect you. I believe it's very important for you to carry this insurance, and it's very economical for you to carry that. There's situations that can become complicated, such as if you're riding in another person's vehicle, you could have their underinsured coverage and your own, and you have stacking situations that can become complicated. Also, if you have a claim where you're going to exceed the other driver's policy limits, you have to give proper notice to the company that carries your underinsured coverage, or else you can lose that coverage. For those reasons, I suggest that you hire an attorney if you're involved in one of these situations. I have over 35 years of experience dealing with these situations in insurance coverages, including uninsured and underinsured coverage. I offer free consultations. You can contact me at 402-423-4300.